to be a success word. And to speak on this subject and to shed some light, Mr. Mohammed Ashfaq-Ur-Rehman, founder and CEO of Finmaal. He cannot be physically here due to some personal reason, but he will be joining us and addressing us via Zoom. For over 26 years, Mr. Ashfaq has been a noteworthy leader in the insurance, carpool banking, and management consulting. He has been credited with contributing to the fintech and insurance tech space.
Am I good to go? I can't see anyone, I can't hear, so I'm not sure if all is
Yes,
set
you
up.
are good to go. You can start now.
Okay, right. Fantastic. Good morning, everyone. I'm really thrilled to be here today to delve into the exciting realm of digital motor insurance. As you know, my name is Mohammed Ashfaq-Ur-Rehman, and I have spent over 26 years working in the insurance industry directly and indirectly, witnessing firsthand the remarkable transformation brought about by digital innovation. You have already heard about me, so I'm not going to talk about myself. It's already clear. We'll directly straight away. Ladies and gentlemen, let's embark on a journey to explore what it truly takes to thrive as a digital motor insurer. In today's rapidly evolving world, where technology is reshaping every facet of our lives, the insurance industry has not been left untouched. Today, we'll try to uncover the key elements that set successful digital motor insurer apart. The digital insurance shift. Picture this. The rise of digital technology has turned the insurance landscape on its head. From how we interact with customers to the way we handle our operations, nothing remains the same. Our customers' expectations are soaring, and it's crucial for us to not only keep up, but to also lead the charge. It all begins with our customers. A customer-centric approach is the foundation of success in this digital era. We need to listen, truly understand their needs, and craft tailored experiences that cater to those needs. When we put our customers at the heart of everything we do, we foster loyalty and trust that pays off in the long run. Now let's dive into the power of data analytics. Imagine having insights at your fingertips that enable you to assess risk with pinpoint accuracy. Machine learning, fueled by vast amounts of data, enables us to predict outcomes and make informed decisions. This is how we drive smarter underwriting and pricing strategies. Picture this. A policyholder can effortlessly manage their policy and submit claims through a simple, intuitive interface. And what if they can do all this from the palm of their hand? That's the beauty of user-friendly experiences. Mobile accessibility is not just a convenience. It's an expectation we must meet. In a rapidly changing market, agility is our secret weapon. The ability to pivot swiftly in response to market shifts and customer demands is paramount. Automation, another key feature of the digital age, streamlines our underwriting processes, allowing us to respond promptly, respond and stay ahead of the curve. This also brings us to another interesting point, which is cybersecurity and privacy, the data privacy. Amid all these advancements, we must never forget the critical issue of cybersecurity and data privacy. Our customers entrust us with their sensitive information, and it's our duty to safeguard it rigorously. Robust encryption, multi-factor authentication, and compliance with regulation such as GDPR ensure their trust remains intact. I hope it's running smoothly. So I don't know because I can't see anyone. I can't hear anyone. So I'm just rechecking. Perfect. Our next point is collaboration. So what I mean is innovation doesn't happen in isolation. Collaboration is the fuel that ignites innovation's fire. This means by partnering up with insurtech startups and creating ecosystems, we tap into fresh ideas and expand our capabilities. Integrated solutions like connecting with vehicle manufacturers for real-time accidents alerts enhance the overall customer experience. At the same time, we should not be afraid of failing, and we should learn from things. Let's address the elephant in the room. Not every digital endeavor will be a resounding success. We will face challenges, and some initiatives might even falter. But here's the silver lining. Every setback is a stepping stone. It's an opportunity to learn, adapt, and emerge stronger and more resilient. This brings me to my next slide, which is regulatory compliance and risk management. As we navigate this digital frontier, we can't ignore the complex web of regulations that surround us. Navigating this landscape with finesse is non-negotiable. Robust risk assessment tools and AI-driven solutions empower us to mitigate potential pitfalls while staying compliant with legal and ethical standards. We have seen some success stories, so please allow me to share a couple of success stories. There's an example of company A, and this is about personalization powers customer retention. Company A leading digital motor insurer, embraced personalization with tailored coverage options. And as a result, customer retention surged by an impressive rate, as policyholders felt their unique needs were truly understood. The insight we draw from here is that this exemplifies the impact of crafting experiences that resonate with individual customers. Example of company B is about AI accelerating claims processing. This company B adopted AI-driven claim processing to overhaul efficiency. And as an achievement, their processing times plummeted by a remarkable change, streamlining the customer experience. And as a takeaway from this, highlights the transformative potential of AI in simplifying complex processes. These real-life success stories underline the tangible benefits that can be achieved by prioritizing customer needs, leveraging technology, and fostering innovation in the digital motor insurance landscape. I would also like to share a little story of our own one of solutions that we've been building on, because it connects. I'm not trying to promote, but I'm just trying to share this thing to give a greater perspective to the discussion that we're having. Finmaal, we've been building a hassle-free motor claim solution. So just imagine you are driving on a highway and your car is hit. The moment the car is hit, so it automatically triggers a message to our call center, and the call center person actually picks up the phone and rings the customer or the driver of the car, and he asks the customer, Mr. So-and-so or Miss So-and-so, we have received this message that your car has met an accident. Are you all right? Is your car drivable? And the person says that he's okay or she's okay, but the car is not drivable. The moment our call center person listens to this, so this person sends two sports to at the spot of accident. One is a chauffeur where the customer can carry on with his or with her routine life. She might be going to the hospital. He might have an important meeting, so he can carry on through the chauffeur arrangements. And the second sport is a towing truck. Towing truck objective is to take the vehicle to the nearest workshop. But with this towing truck is also equipped with the functionality of taking pictures, uploading it, and uploading to the claim management processing system, where the claims can get approved before even the car gets to the garage. So the moment car gets to the garage and the pictures were already uploaded, so our AI engine estimate the claim, repairing cost. And if it's a straightforward, and you and I know that most of the cars, if they are hit from the bumper from front and back, so we know what is the average cost going to look like. So those kind of claims are approved instantly. So just imagine now this kind of experience customers are looking for. So this is another example that we need to look into when we are, packaging our products for the end user, because we are going to be challenged by the tech-savvy customers now. They want us to run with lightning speed. Now, that all brings me to the conclusion part. So as we wrap up our journey, let's recap the pillars of success in this digital era. Unwavering customer focus, harnessing the power of data and analytics, staying agile in our operations, ensuring robust cybersecurity, fostering collaboration, and topmost, embracing lessons from both successes and setbacks. Taking the opportunity and to build a little more on what has already been highlighted, I'd like to touch upon another point where we are helping the industry, foster and move forward. And that is to do with our marketplace. The marketplace actually, because if you look at the value chain of motor business or motor product, you see it's not just the back office or operation or underwriting. It is a complete from acquisition of the customer and going all the way back to the customer in the form of claim. So as a successful digital motor insurer, you need to look at all the touch points and all the verticals in order to crack them for the best interest of course, all the stakeholders, not just the customer or the internal employees or the shareholders, so all the stakeholders or all the constituents involved in this piece. So our marketplace gives an impression to the end user that we are trying to, provide our fulfillment experience as similar to the Amazon kind of experience, because the user today wants to see like every step of the journey, where do they stand. So our marketplace, it takes just like 20 seconds to get a car insurance quote across different companies, and then the user can buy online then and there. Similarly, claim experience I've already explained in my earlier discussion. I'm happy to address any questions you have. So I'm now eager to hear your thoughts and address any burning question that you have. Are there any questions? I can't see, I can't hear, so I'm not sure.
Give us a little time. We will get back
Okay.
to you whether.
Is there any way I can see the camera, maybe moving to the audience so I can also see what's going on in the room?
Okay, I will arrange for you, don't worry. You can unshare it now.
Yeah, I can see it just getting there.
Okay, help me to unshare your slide.
Yeah, okay, so it's blurry.
I need you
All right,
to
let's
unshare.
Let's start off with the questions at hand.
I need to
So-
share screen. I need to share screen.
Sir, the question is for you. You see Japanese car manufacturers adopting to Tesla insurance business model. How can existing insurers react to this risk or opportunity? You see Japanese car manufacturers adopting Tesla insurance business model.
First question is definitely they are already taking. It means not just studying their
I'm sorry if the question has been asked, so I am not sure actually what was being asked. So it wasn't clear enough. I just heard Tesla, something on Tesla. If you could repeat, or Joseph.
So I will forward a question if it comes to you. For the moment, it's from Mr. Singh, who is here physically at the meeting. But you could also include any insight that you would like to share as well once Mr. Singh has finished his explanation.
anyway, they
Okay, sorry, which slide? Which one? Shall I go back? Are you asking me any slide number? Because I'm sorry, I can't hear you. So if someone is speaking or telling me, I know it's a really bad experience of connecting to Zoom. My sincere apologies to everyone, so